we remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the connector of the screen. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Now we remove the flex. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Lift gently the device motherboard. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We lift the charging port. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.